In this video, I will compare 4 vibe coding tools with each other based on several important topics. I'm talking about Lovable, Base44, Hosting Horizons, and Sticklight. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do, I created a prompt and I asked ChatGPT to make it better. So let me copy this. Now I go to ferdy.com/lovable. You can also use the link in the descriptions or in the first comment. And I paste the prompt, I hit enter, and then I need to sign up. Then I go to ferdy.com/base44. I paste the prompt, click over here. I need to sign up. Then I go to ferdy.com/horizons. And if you want to start for free, click on Start Now. Scroll down. Start for free. Then you need to sign up. And then we have ferdy.com/sticklight. Paste the prompt, hit enter. And then you also need to sign up. So I will do that and then I'll show you the results for all 4 tools. So this is the one from Lovable, Start Calculating. There is the calculator. Here's an ad sidebar, so you can place advertisements. Then there's Base44. Click over here, go to the calculator, also advertisement placements, quick tips, privacy policy, etc. Then there's Horizons, calculate your savings now, also here in the header. And here's the calculator with sticking advertisements, that's what I like. And then there's Sticklight, calculate your savings. There it is. So you see that the same prompt gives quite some different stylings. And when I fill in the form, it looks like this. Total interest saved, time saved, with a nice comparison here at Base44. Also beautifully displayed. Also here, Horizons. A nice comparison. And it's Sticklight. Also a comparison like this. So let's take a look at the credits. So when we take a look at how fast the credits go at Lovable, this project cost 5 credits. So we run out of our free credits. Tomorrow, we get 5 new credits. That is with every single tool we use over here. So with Base44, we used 3.1 credits for this project. With Hosting Horizons, we just used 2 credits. And with Sticklight, we used 2.3 credits. So you see a huge difference per platform. Let's take a look at the premium plans for all 4 platforms. So let's start with Lovable, 25 euros per month, and then you get 100 credits plus 5 daily credits. This is for every single platform. Every day you get 5 credits, but if you don't use them, they are gone. So it's not that after a month you have 150 extra credits. No, every single day you can use 5 credits. If you don't use them, they are gone. And nobody knows where they've gone through. So 25 euros per month. If you're from the United States, probably $25 per month. Base44, $16 per month for 100 monthly credits plus those 5 credits per day. So that's cheaper. And you can still use it on unlimited number of apps. So you can create a second app, a third one, a fourth one. Then there's Hosting Horizons. They have the cheapest plan, $6.99. The only thing is you can use it for 1 project, so not unlimited projects. If you want to go for multiple projects, you need to go for the starter plan. Then you can create up to 25 projects and you get 70 credits per month plus those 5 per day. And you get a free domain. That's an extra perk. And then there's Sticklight, $25 per month for 100 credits plus those 5 daily credits. So Hosting Horizons is the most affordable one. So let me show you how to get it. If I click on Publish, I can claim a deal over here. So select the plan you want to select. I want to go with this one, the starter plan, create up to 25 websites, 24/7 customer support, and a free domain. So I click on select plan. I go for 12 months. And the great thing is I can give you extra discounts. So if I click on have a coupon code and I fill in Ferdy, apply, you get 10% extra off. I click on continue. Then I fill in my details over here. If I have a company, I can add my company details. I click on continue. Then depending on where I come from, I can pay with card or PayPal or local payment methods. I go for credit card. Then I click on submit payment. And now I've upgraded my account and you can do it the same way with the other tools. Let's take a look at the visual editors over here at Lovable. If I want to change this text, I can go over here on the 3 dots. I can go to design. I can also make it stick. So it's also here. Design, visual edits. Then I can click over here. I can change the style. But if I want to change the content, what I would do, copy this and then ask Lovable, change it to this. Paste it and then I can say how much money. Hit enter. So there it is. See how much money you can save. Well, I don't like this way. I prefer to click on it and change it. So let's go to Base44. I click over here, visual edit. I click here, and then I need to do the same thing. Edit element, what to change. Change it to base it. And then also here, how much money. Hit enter. Then I have to wait a while, and there it is. See how much money. I also don't like this. Let's go to Hostinger Horizons. There I can click on edit content, triple click or double click how much money. Save. There we go. I really like this. And then Sticklight, I can click over here, select this area. And then the weird thing is I want to click over here, but I also need to click over here and then I can change it. How much money, apply, and then keep in mind also save it over here. So Horizon is the winner over here. It's the easiest. Then this one, and I don't like how this is displayed, but those evolvements are so quick. So I probably within a few weeks, they can also do it like that. Step by step, they're getting more page builder features. Next subject, can the interface be in your language or in another language? Well, at Lovable, it can't. At Base44, you also cannot do that. With Hosting Horizons, you can click over here, go to the dashboard. And if I click over here, I can change the language to another one. Now, if I go to websites, and I go to my website, it says in Dutch, edit the website. Now the interface is in Dutch. With Sticklight, you can click over here, change the language, but there are only 3 languages yet. Then the second question, can you prompt in your own language? So over here at Lovable, I say, maak de voeder donker. Hit enter. Over here, I paste it. I'm saying make the footer dark. Oh, I see the footer is dark now, and it's also talking in Dutch. So the interface stays English, but I can communicate in another language with Lovable. Also here, I see that it's editing the footer. So it's dark now. Hosting Horizons, it says in Dutch, working on it. And with Sticklight, it's also talking to me in Dutch. So when it comes to the interface, with Hosting Horizons, you can have a lot of languages. With Sticklight, you can have a few languages. But when you prompt in your own language, that is possible with all 4 tools. Next, let's take a look at subdomains and custom domains, .com domains. So here at Lovable, I can click on publish. And since I use the pro version with all 4 tools, I can create a custom Lovable domain. I call that a subdomain. So I say calculate mortgage, copy it. Then I go to the Base44 app, edit URL, paste it, Hostinger, publish. This is the domain. I cannot change this domain. It's Lavender Wolverine. So let's leave it with that. And then latest one, Sticklight. I click on publish. I can click over here, calculate mortgage, and I click on publish. So we all have subdomains, and with Hosting Horizons, it's a random one. But more important, can you connect your own domain name? That's really important for me. You can do it oftentimes through external tools like SiteGround or Hostinger. But what I prefer is when it is within the tool. So with Lovable, I click over here. I go to settings, domains, and then I can add an existing domain that you have somewhere else, or you can purchase a domain that is through Ionos. Then I can buy the domain. So it's a third-party company, Ionos, but the purchase process is quite straightforward. So that's doable. Let's go to Base44. I click on publish and then get a custom domain. Also through Ionos, I can make it mine. $1 for the first year, which is really nice. Hosting Horizons, well, Hostinger is a hosting platform, so they also have domains. How can I get it? Publish. I can connect the domain and I can get one for free. And then with Sticklight, I click on published. I can connect a domain. So it should be a domain that's purchased somewhere else, but in the future, they will have a way to purchase their domain directly here within Sticklight. That brings me to the next subject, having an email account. Well, since at Lovable and Base44, you need to make use of Ionos, that is a domain platform. You do not buy hosting. The hosting is at Lovable at Base44. So in order to get a working email account with your custom domain name, which you get through Ionos, you need to make use of an external tool that can provide you with hosting for your email account. With Sticklight, this is also not possible yet. You also need to make use of an external tool, connect it, get your domain, get hosting for your email, and then link it to Sticklight. But with Hosting Horizons, since they're a web hosting company, you can get your own custom email account with your free .com domain name. So when it comes to custom email accounts, I like to keep things simple. Then Hostinger is the big winner over here. Can you send emails with this tool without using an external tool, a third-party tool? So let me ask. So I asked to create an opt-in form above the footer when people want to stay up to date. So they will be added to the email list. I will ask it everywhere. And a prompt that people will receive an email when they sign up. And then let's test it. Lovable decided to continue in Dutch over here. So it says it needs a resend account and an API key in order to make sending emails work. So if I would fill in my name, Ferdy, and my email address, I click on subscribe, I probably don't get an email. With Base44, I fill in my name, subscribe. With Hostinger Horizons, fill in my name, subscribe. And with Sticklight, subscribe. With Sticklight, it says something went wrong. And with Hostinger, it worked. I got an email from this account. That's because we did not have a custom domain yet, the Welcome to Mortgage Early Payoff Savings Calculator. I can change all this information. I can say change it to another text or make it shorter or change the layout. But it works from outside of the box of Hostinger Horizons, which is really cool. With all three other tools, I had to do extra things in order to make this work. So one more thing I want to compare. Can you sell things using those tools? I will add an image over here. I say sell this ebook. I also need to add the ebook, the PDF, for $9.99. Let people pay with Stripe. I will do that everywhere. With Hostinger Horizons, I need to attach link to the PDF. It's true URL because I cannot upload PDFs, so I add it like that. So over here I can enable Stripe. With Base44, Stripe payments are not available on the current plan. With Horizon, it's possible. I need to fill in the details from the Stripe dashboard. And with Sticklight, it's also possible. I need to go to Stripe, fill in the API keys, and then it will look like this. I can click on Buy Now, go to the checkout, pay with credit card, but then first I need to fill in those details over here. So that's also possible with Sticklight. So let's wrap it up. There are 4 amazing tools. They're quite similar when it comes to pricing. Base44 and Hostinger Horizons are the cheapest. With all of them, you get 5 free credits per day, so you can test this tool out for free. And what I like about Hostinger Horizons is that you can get a custom domain for free, and an email account is attached within the package. With all the other tools, you can get the same results, but then you need to use external tools. What I know is that these tools are all evolving really quick, so I expect that within a short amount of time, they will all become page builders. You can drag things in, adjust things really easily. And then I think that this is the future of making web applications and websites. Let me know what you think. If you prefer a certain tool, or if you want to say anything else, feel free to do that over here so that all the people that watch the video can see your opinion. And then I hope that you will find the tool that's most suited for you.